So right now, all of us have no idea what's going on. We're waiting for the authorities to turn up to the boat to tell us what's actually happening. So right now it's an absolute shit show, which it normally is. We're supposed to depart tomorrow once all of our COVID tests come back. Hopefully we're going to still set sail tomorrow. I hope so, because the pollution in Kaohsiung is killing me. You might be able to hear it in my voice, that you can actually hardly hear me. You'll also notice I'm wearing my mask because we've got to do it for right now, because someone was on this boat that had COVID. Well, this is the entrance to Kaohsiung Harbour, one of them. By looking at the map, there's at least three. So I assume in a week or week and a half maybe, I'll be sailing out of here, and this will be the last I see of Taiwan until we hit the Philippines to pick up the chopper. Looking forward to getting out of the ocean and flying again as well. Really looking forward to that. One thing I have noticed about Kaohsiung, I'm not sure whether it's true for all of Taiwan, but you'll rarely find a rubbish bin around to put your rubbish in. So if you've got an empty drink bottle or a banana peel or something, it takes quite a while. There's no public bins. But surprisingly enough, the streets are really clean. And I guess they do have people. You can see someone sort of back there somewhere. She's walking around with a bin. But they are very clean. So it's a bit of a contrast. You've got this mass sort of what I can see as pollution. But then the streets are pretty rubbish clean. Even the waterways seem to be clean as well. I've noticed that they do a lot of recycling, like a truck comes around every night, and sounds like the ice cream truck, and picks up recycling, and everyone comes out with their bags. It's quite entertaining. It kept me entertained during the 14 days quarantine, that's for sure.
She's too hot to handle. Too hot to handle. She's a heat stroke, summertime sunshine, heartbreaking kind of machine. Looking twice for a good time, turning around for something you ain't ever seen. It's too hot to handle.
So we're off to meet a guy called Mars who works for the boat company, and he's going to take us out to Marshall's 202, which is going to be our boat for the foreseeable future. I've seen boats before, but it'll be a good chance to have a look, see what's in the room, see what it's all about, see how bad or good the room's going to be, and what we're going to need to make it a bit more comfortable, a bit more home. So, without further ado, let's go meet Mars. So hello everybody, this is Mars. He's our engineer for the day. Say hello, Mars.
Hey, hello.
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 Yes.
Hey.
So he's taking across the boat to show us what they've done, and hopefully it matches up to the other boats they've been on, and it's in good nick and almost ready to go. But, here we go, crazy time.
Here we go, crazy.
So just give you an update on what's actually going on of late. So we've been out of lockdown out of quarantine for about 8 days now. Possible departure date around the 19th to 20th of December, which is still 5 days away. But I went and saw the boat a couple of days ago, just to update you. And well, I've only got a couple of pictures. I might be riding on it a little bit later on to get out to the fishing grounds. There's been some change in the plans, so I'll get a bit more footage of it to show you. Probably what I would expect is the worst boat and worst accommodation I've seen in all the boats I've either worked on or visited of mates' cabins. I mentioned this to the powers that be, and a little bit of hell's broken loose. But you know, it is what it is. So not sure what's going to happen at this stage. We'll be going out to the fishing grounds, but I might be just a passenger on this first boat. And I won't say. What's your name? Me, Joel. You? Chengunai.
Yeah.
So I don't really know how to say this, but Chengunai has it's explained to me through our translator app that for the next 14 days, supposedly, this may change. It is Asia, who knows? But we're so yes, sorry, we've got to do this. And then it's 14 days hotel quarantine again. Yippee!